So in the last couple of months, we've had eggs and hatchlings go missing from a couple of different boxes. So I wanted to put these cams up to see exactly what's happening. If there was a hawk of some kind that was going in there, or if maybe just the mama owl decided that there was something wrong with those eggs and simply removed them from the nest. Right now, this box has 4 eggs in it, and hopefully there'll be 4 hatchlings in about a month or so. I'll keep tabs on it with these game cams, and I will post any updates with that footage. So immediately after I checked this box, that particular owl flew out, and I wanted to answer the question as to whether or not there were eggs inside. So that's why I'm putting the camera back inside. And there's no eggs, but there is what looks like a rodent. Not sure if it's a gopher or a rat. But this box is still probably going to get moved here within the next week or so. I've been particularly interested in this box lately because what began as a clutch of 5 eggs has only developed into a single hatchling. I haven't seen the mama the last couple of times I've looked in on the box, and I'm worried that whatever got the hatchlings or the eggs also might have got the mama. So I'm setting up this cam to answer that question, whether or not an adult owl is looking after this youth or not, and hopefully mama's okay. If not, I might have to start investing in some mice to feed her. I don't ordinarily open the access hatch unless I'm cleaning out the nesting material, but I couldn't see any kind of movement from this little one, so I needed to confirm that she was still alive. And as you can see, she is.
Good, you're okay. Baby.